Hello and welcome, I'm Bradley Owen. In today's video we'll take a closer look at our skirting clamp systems. And K-lock wedge skirting clamp system allows quick and easy adjustment of polyurethane or rubber skirts. K-quick clamp utilises a cam mechanism which allows adjustment of the skirts without the need of any hand tools. 1 metre extruded aluminium V-clamp rail distributes the clamping force provided by the cam assemblies over the length of the skirt. The K-lock wedge system utilises tapered wedges in a looped lock mount to provide the skirting clamp force in conjunction with the skirt plate. For a secure fit, the skirt plate is rubber backed. Available in 3 different heights to suit all common skirt sizes. Also available is the K-con lock, which has added holes to allow for the K containment seal when these products are used together. Thank you for watching today's presentation. For more information, please contact us at Kinder Australia.